YouTube channels can grow rapidly for various reasons, including producing highly engaging content, tapping into trending topics, leveraging effective promotion and marketing strategies, and consistently delivering value to their audience. While there's no definitive list of channels that grow the fastest, certain types of content tend to attract rapid growth. Here are some examples. 1. Tutorial and how-to channels, channels that offer valuable tutorials, guides, and how-to videos in popular niches such as technology, beauty, fitness, cooking, or DIY often experience rapid growth due to the high demand for instructional content. 2. Entertainment and comedy channels, channels that produce entertaining and comedic content, including sketches, parodies, and comedic commentary on current events or popular culture, can attract a large and dedicated audience quickly. 3. Gaming channels, especially those focused on popular games and featuring gameplay footage, walkthroughs, reviews, and live streams, tend to grow rapidly due to the large and active gaming community on YouTube. 4. Review and reaction channels, channels that offer reviews, reactions, and commentary on trending topics, viral videos, movies, TV shows, or music can experience fast growth by tapping into popular culture and current trends. 5. Vlogging and lifestyle channels, vloggers and lifestyle influencers who share their daily experiences, travel adventures, fitness routines, fashion tips, or personal stories often attract a wide audience and can grow rapidly through relatable and engaging content. 6. Educational and inspirational channels, channels that focus on personal development, motivation, self-improvement, or education in niche topics such as entrepreneurship, finance, productivity, or psychology can grow quickly by providing valuable insights and inspiration to viewers. 7. Tech and product review channels, channels that offer in-depth reviews, comparisons, and demonstrations of tech products, gadgets, and consumer goods can experience rapid growth by helping viewers make informed purchasing decisions. 8. News and commentary channels, channels that provide news updates, analysis, and commentary on current events, politics, or social issues can attract a large and engaged audience seeking timely information and diverse perspectives. While these are just a few examples, the key to fast growth on YouTube is producing high-quality content that resonates with your target audience, staying consistent with uploads, and actively engaging with your viewers to build a loyal community around your channel. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on such content.